gonna pick the right one? It fits!
Yay!
Yay! Are you gonna get Daddy's shoes now? Oh, what happened?
What are you looking for? Yeah, that's right.
Oh.
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. Yay! There you go. Which one is it?
Why is there two?
I don't know.
You got the right one.
Thank you. Yay! Yay!
Yay! You got Mommy and Daddy's shoes right.